Just yesterday we covered a topic about a father and a daughter who lost their life during a landslide in a section of Jamaica where the house was swept away. The sister of the deceased now speaks out and explains everything as she remembers it happening.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
My name is Leachman, and this is the Romeo Leachman, and early this morning around 7:30, there is a stone wall stop side our home. Otherwise my brother home, and while I was there trying to get the water out of my house, it seems as the stone wall with the banking came down on my brother's house. It took everything, also cover my brother. I don't know what to say.
Describe for me what you heard.
I heard boop. But I went outside to look because I think it was the front of the wall tearing down. But my next door neighbor, same time running up and started to cry, Rosie, 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 the whole of your brother's house gone. Me turn idiot. So me run come out and me I look, me see my brother's house. So me start run up and down and I look for the house. So by running up and down and I look for the house, me not see it. So I went over and me look the house down at the next lady home. That is Miss Mac house. So we come back down the hill, went round and went through our gate. There I saw my brother bed, some of his clothes. I came there with a flat screen, and it was also done at Miss Mac house, while I wish it was the flat screen cover, not my brother. But it was my brother. While I will scream out, it came and help us, and we get to find my brother, but I know we don't find him.
Tell me about the issue with the stone wall.
Well, before I came in, my brother always complaining about water coming through the stone wall. Them letting water through the stone wall down, and him and they keep on let the banking come down and stuff like that. And that's it. The first time one side of the yard happened, it was the same stone wall that happens to lick down one side, but it didn't make damage to my house. But it covered my furniture and stuff like that.
You were describing that water was coming through your house this morning. Talk about that.
The water was coming from the back of the house, through the house, and it was flooding the house. So we was trying to get away the dirt and stuff from behind the house, so that the water could stop. But right now we stopped because we are doing something else. We are looking for my brother and my niece.
And tell me about how you're feeling now.
Miss, have you ever heard about a walking dead? Well, I am a walking dead, walking right now. It's like I have no breath, I have no feelings, but trying to keep up.
Tell me about your brother and your niece.
My brother was a very nice person. Miserable sometimes, but he was nice because last night I was talking about putting some breadfruit one cell this morning, and my niece, she gave a little too trouble. Wrong, and then me have to fling too free. Her talk like a harder for very bright girl from she small. Some 100, some big 100, still get her big 100. Reach her Queens. She didn't want to become a bank accountant or something like that. She don't get her dreams. Her dreams have closed in 2020. I wish her dreams could carry on. While the banking was there and I saw my brother, I was wishing that she went out of the house early in the morning and went somewhere to some friend house to charge her phone because we don't have any light. She have class this morning, so what I was hoping that she was at a friend's house, but while searching, she's not. And she's not at her grandmother because there's an auntie here, so she's not here. So we are convinced she are in the house.
Tell me about your situation. Do you feel safe going back to your house?
No, I am not feel safe. No, I am not feel safe going back to my house. I am not feel safe.
Thank you.
People will be following this story, and the more information we get, we will definitely bring it forward so that you will be in the know with what's happening. Now, you know say Jamaica have curfew, right? But people, it seems like the curfew not really matter to certain people, especially the criminal them. Now, good thing the police them up on a boat. And you know, stopping some of them in them tracks. Check out them people here. I try to break in a people place.
And I have no respect for curfew. Now block people place. Yeah man. Yeah man, them surrender now. Alright. Where phone them?
On the phone. You never know car, man.
Where you say you come from? 19-year-old street. You get youth? That's why you block people place.
No, that is not.
You know. Where you come from?
42 Luke Lane.
42 Luke Lane. Where your name?
Kemar Black. Since you don't live nowhere, I don't plan to live nowhere, a place where you can go to live here. You get 3 meals a day.
I wouldn't even say another word about them. Because them not worth it. God no. We just have to move past that topic there. Good thing the police catch them though. Now, we've all heard the controversy on social media, you know, as it relates to Buju's statement. Right? Buju come under heavy, you know, backlash after the things we him say. Now, Muta, a very prominent person in, you know, the social space, is one who is speaking out now. He didn't say anything specifically about Buju, but he might address the whole mask wearing thing. We're going to take a listen to what Muta has to say right here.
Hear what I go now. A whole heap of people out there I try and make the people them who are wear masks, them I make it look like say them people they are idiot. One woman write me last week and say me is a conformist. She said we are conformists, but here we know. You see this mask thing? You see this what them call separate, like keep far from people. We explain that already now. We talk about it on the stepping razor. We talk about it on this program, yeah. And we still have to talk about it because the COVID not gone, you know. The COVID not gone. Because more people have it now in Jamaica and more people are dead in Jamaica and more people are start get scared and frightened. All right. Human being seems as if we still not learn from history. History teach a whole heap of things, you know, that you don't really step forward in the mistakes where you make of whole. No, I don't know if a whole heap of Jamaican people know this, or else if them didn't know it, they wouldn't have followed the whole heap of madness where they must sip on them WhatsApp and them Instagram page and Facebook page and all them something there. But I want to tell the Jamaican people them this. Mankind have been displaced before. Them passed this road before. You have flu. You have all kind of things will come through. The same things them when you hear them I say you must do now is that them did say when those flu did pass through. It is not true. I'm never say it non-apologetically. It is not true that the man them or whosoever wanted to wear mask and stay in your house because they want to control the population. It is not true. Now, I don't know, some people gone too far already for go turn back now in the whole heap of madness. But there is no evidence or proof that apart from where you have, say, where people are trying to push the Trumpian doctrine, because right now I call it Trump doctrine, because it's a Trump doctrine. Anytime you hear a man say, him not no mask thing, me say, boy, you know, the Trump doctrine. Anytime you hear a man talk about, say, boy, right now, you don't want physical distance because you don't understand why they matter for physical distance. You don't want nobody take your temperature. You don't want nobody rub things by your... I tell you it already, you know. If you don't want a man put things by your hand, carry your own. If you don't want somebody rub anything by your hand, carry your own. No. Here's the problem now. The problem with it is that people almost take this thing like it's a movement, a no-mask movement, a Trumpian designed movement. But Trump now, as the most so-called, most powerful man for earth, according to what the American them say. Because he refused to wear mask and he make thousands of people now wear it. We over here so jump on it and attack damn foolishness about mask, go kill you off and mask. Look here. Every pandemic we pass through earth, them show you that the mask thing is something that work. I mean, I just look on what these guys are saying, all the CDC guys are saying. Because I definitely not look on what Trump do. But I not just listen to CDC and World Health Organization. I look on historical things that happen. You know, the flu them we pass through. You have flu we pass through and kill millions of people more than this one, you know. Because this one must have gone about 1 million. In America, it gone 200,000. But the same thing will lick America in the 1918s or something about it there. It's the same thing I hit them now with 200,000 people dead in America because them never take heed to what they must do to prevent the thing from spreading. So them start come up with some weird things now like herding and all these thinking just make the thing kill everybody. Make the thing kill who to want to kill. And then you will get the thing, stop travel. It's a madness. Anybody where you hear say that, it's madness. It's American talk that. It's an American talk. We tell people, say, boy, right now, herd. You just pile up the people them who more receptive to it and help them and then make everybody run go out, them mask or no mask. Make them run go out, do them do. It's madness. It's madness. There is things that can prevent it from spread. Common sense should have show you that. Common sense can show you that there's certain things that the virus is not a living organism. It's not a living thing. But it moves when people move. It moves when people move in the body of other people and contaminate the body and make it easier for your next person to catch it.
Well, alright then, viewers, there you have it. Muta expresses his views on mask wearing. And one thing me have to agree with Muta pan, this is nothing new. Jamaicans and the world has seen things like this before, right? Way back in time. This has been here before and not new, and the same measures what they have in place now has been in place before. It's just that now people more rebellious against everything. You understand? No, and everybody are gonna agree with me, but so be it. Anyway, people, talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what is your thoughts, your views, and your opinions. Alright? Do you agree with the things that Muta said or not? What have to say? More often know in the comments. Alright? Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. And I'm out. And if you're not subscribed yet, we are wait pan. Subscribe now. See it? My God.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.